How to distort audio. To begin, I added an audio to my timeline and I want to distort it. First, use Razor tool to cut the part of audio you want to distort. Then go to Effects panel and search for Distortion. Drag and drop distortion effect into your audio. With your audio selected, go to Effect Controls, and under Distortion, and click on this button and set it to one of the presets. I use Swamp Thing for here. Now let's use another way to achieve a different result. First, right-click on Distortion and select Clear to delete this effect. Now in Effects panel, search for Bass and drag Bass effect into your audio. And set the boost value to something higher like 20 decibels. To complete the effect, search for treble and drag it into your audio. Now set the boost of this effect to something like 20 decibels. You can play around with values until you get your desired result. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.